Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DONY Montana token. Now this token is trending number 2 in the Solana section on Dex Screener right now. Very popular token today. Huge 24-hour trading volume, huge market cap. Ticker symbol is DOMO. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. You can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener are all great places if you're looking for the chart. On Dex Tools, you could find their socials, like they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, web pages on there. Now their Telegram is at DONY Montana. 4,465 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual at DONY Montana Sol. And on that X, you're going to find, new token listings, updates, all that type of stuff. Pretty funny meme. It's based off of Trump and then Scarface, aka Tony Montana, and now we have DONY Montana, Donald Trump. At DONY Montana Sol, the official account for DONY Montana, ticker symbol DOMO, a meme token merging the iconic Donald Trump and Tony Montana. Then it has a link to their webpage, DonyMontana.com, a link to their Telegram. They just joined Twitter in July 2024, 37,100 Twitter followers. And their pinned tweet here, they just applied 4 hours ago for CoinGecko. They have their ID request number on there. It says they've been doing buybacks under the way here, and there's going to be exciting burns before a central exchange listing. So stay tuned for a central exchange listing announcement here on their Twitter. It says, exciting news, community, it's almost time. DoMo is about to be listed on the first central exchange. The journey has been incredible so far, and things are just beginning. Stay tuned for more updates. Things are coming. It says drop your guesses for central exchanges down in the comment section. So yeah, we'll have to stay tuned to see what that is. But yeah, they have 42 tweets so far, the blue verified check mark. Now, this token is not super brand new, but it's fairly new here. 1 month, 7 days ago, this pair was created on RAYDIUM. So if you want to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet. You could use a Trust wallet. Any one of these wallets would be fine. You would fund your wallet with Sol. So you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there that you could use in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You would go into the dApps. You would find RAYDIUM or Jupiter, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, DonyMontana.com. Now, I don't believe that you'll have to set slippage or anything like that. I didn't see anything about taxes as of yet, but there is going to be, small amounts of gas fees. Now, this token has a lot of holders so far. I was looking at it earlier, over 8,000 holders already. And, well, they've been around for a month or so, but this token has a market cap of $6.7 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $313,000 in liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $429,000. And they've had 70,328 transactions. This token's up 10.7% today in the past 24 hours. Doing very well here. So let's check out the holders here. I believe it said over 8,330 holders. That is a decent amount of holders there. So on their webpage, it says, new hype on Solana. In the years following his escape from Miami, DONY Montana transformed himself. No longer the notorious Baron, he rebranded himself as a legitimate businessman using his sharp intellect, it's cut off there, and ruthless ambition. DONY built a vast and legitimate financial empire and became one of the most influential figures in the corporate world. As the world faced economic turmoil, whispers began to circulate that DONY Montana was thinking of revitalizing the crypto market. The world was hungry for a leader who could restore its financial strength, and DONY's success in business made him an attractive candidate. Now, DONY Montana stood at the podium, his piercing eyes scanning the sea of reporters and supporters that gathered before him. The room buzzed with anticipation. He adjusted the microphone and he began to speak with a voice full of conviction. Ladies and gentlemen, we need a leader who understands the value of hard work, who knows how to turn challenges into opportunities. I am that leader. We need to bring back our wealth and create opportunities for every investor. My plan will do that. So they have links to their chart on here. It says, let's make all of us growth again. What is it? It says no taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage or anything like that. It says 100% liquidity, 100% tokens into liquidity, your investment fully backed. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. Got a picture of him hanging out with all these other meme coins like Brett, Bonk, Pepe, Ponky or Monkey, Monkey, Popcat, Turbo, Whiff Hat. They're all on the webpage here. And yeah, so this token here, there is a quick audit on Dex Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. It's a deflationary token, so it is a little bit less than 1 billion supply right now. And yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the DONY Montana token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.